Brother, stop. Why are you running? You know, 3 days ago at the train station, I felt something stuck between my toes, and then I suddenly, reversed like a car and suddenly bumped into that bitch Ranu Mondal, and she's fucking crazy. She's been chasing me for 3 fucking whole days, and that's why I'm still running from her. She's been chasing me for 3 fucking days so that she could bump me back again. But I refuse. No bitch can ever bump me. That's why I'm still running. You two step aside. You don't want to mess with that bitch.